Hello everyone. Welcome back to another helpful video on your favorite channel, English with Altaf. In today's conversation, we are going to talk about something that every English learner can relate to, the struggle we all go through while learning this language.
Hi friends. Yes, today's topic is close to the heart of every learner. The title is, One Day, I'll Look Back and Be Proud of This Struggle for Learning English. We will have a friendly conversation around this idea, and we hope it motivates you and reminds you that your efforts will pay off one day.
Altaf. When I started learning English, I used to feel very confused and discouraged. I would forget simple words, get nervous when speaking, and sometimes people would laugh at my mistakes. I felt like giving up many times. But somewhere deep inside, I had this small voice that said, "Keep going. One day you'll be proud of this."
Iqra. I understand. I had a very similar experience. In my early days, I didn't know how to form proper sentences. I used to translate from Urdu to English in my mind, which made everything slow and difficult. I remember how much I struggled just to say a few sentences confidently. But now, when I look back, I feel proud of that version of myself who didn't quit.
Exactly, Altaf. I believe this struggle is actually shaping us. Every time we try to speak and make a mistake, we learn something new. Every moment we feel embarrassed, we grow a little stronger. And one day, when we are fluent, we will look back at these hard times with pride and maybe even smile.
Yes. And I think the problem is many learners compare themselves with fluent speakers and feel small. They don't realize that those fluent speakers were also beginners once. No one is born speaking English. It's all about time, effort, and patience. Every wrong sentence, every hesitation is a step toward fluency.
That's such a good point. I remember when I couldn't even introduce myself properly. I would say things like, "My name is Ikra and I am from," and then suddenly forget the rest. It was frustrating, but now, after practicing regularly, I can speak confidently, and I don't fear making mistakes anymore.
And your English sounds great now, Ikra. It just proves that if we stay consistent, we can achieve anything. I also want to tell our viewers that struggling doesn't mean you are weak. Struggling means you are trying, and trying leads to success.
Yes, and I want our viewers to know that it's okay to feel stuck sometimes. It's okay if you can't speak fast or understand everything. What matters is that you are still learning, still practicing, and still dreaming. And trust me, one day you will look back and say, "Wow, I'm proud I didn't give up."
You know, Ikra, I often tell my students that this struggle will become their strength one day. The hours you spend reading, listening, watching English videos, speaking alone, it will all come together like a puzzle. You won't even realize how much progress you're making until one day someone compliments your English.
That's true, Altaf. And compliments feel so special when we've worked hard for them. Even now, when someone tells me, "Ikra, your English is good," I smile and think about the days I struggled to say even the simplest sentence. It makes me proud of my journey.
Same here. And I think one beautiful thing about this struggle is that it teaches us patience, discipline, and confidence. Not only do we become better speakers, but we also become stronger people. It's not just a language journey, it's a life journey.
Yes, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about facing your fears, building your confidence, and believing in yourself even when others don't. It's about dreaming bigger and working quietly.
And this struggle brings people together. Like today, we are talking about our journeys, and I'm sure many people watching this video will relate because they're going through the same struggle. But the good news is they are not alone. We are all in this together.
Yes. And we want to remind you, dear viewers, that your struggle matters. Your hard work matters. Don't be embarrassed if you're not fluent yet. Keep going. Your future self will thank you.
And remember, fluency doesn't come overnight. Even native speakers learn new words every day. You're not supposed to be perfect. You're supposed to keep improving, keep growing, keep learning.
Absolutely. And if one day you feel like giving up, just ask yourself, why did I start? Think about your goals, your dreams. Think about the kind of person you want to become. And then take a deep breath and try again.
Ikra, that's powerful. I also want to say something to those who feel like they are too old to learn English or that it's too late. It's never too late. The only time you truly fail is when you stop trying. No matter your age, background, or experience, you can learn.
Yes. English is not just for young people or students. It's for anyone who wants to connect, grow, and explore new opportunities. And if you're watching this video, it already means you're serious about learning. That's something to be proud of.
So, to everyone watching, please remember, one day, you will look back at these days of struggle and feel proud. You'll remember the late nights you practiced, the times you spoke and stumbled, and how you still stood up again. That's your victory.
That's so true. And maybe one day someone will come to you for help with English. You will guide them, and you'll tell them your story. You'll inspire someone else because of your journey. Isn't that a beautiful thought?
Yes, it is. So never be ashamed of your struggle. Embrace it. Live it. Because this struggle is what makes your success meaningful. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey.
Well said, Altaf. Let's now wrap up today's video with a quick reminder for our viewers.
Sure. So, in today's video, we talked about how the struggle of learning English is a path we all walk. It may feel hard now, but one day you'll look back and feel proud of every mistake, every lesson, and every step you took.
Yes, we shared our own experiences, the challenges we faced, and how we didn't give up. We reminded you that this struggle is temporary, but the results will last forever. Keep going. Believe in yourself.
Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf for more helpful videos.
Take care, keep learning, and always remember, one day you'll be proud of this struggle. See you in the next video.